Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the cable or how to change the cable of the Apple charger. This is my Apple charger. I have been used for 10 years and you can see that the cable now is so badly to use. So now today I'm going to show you how to replace. So I have bought the new one, which is this one. This is the new cable that we are going to replace. So as you can see this, so it will save you the money a lot if you buy only the cable, because if you buy the whole charger it will charge you more than 100 ringgit, but this one only 10 ringgit for this cable, so you can replace and you can use it as usual. So now let's go how to replace it. So first you have to open the cable, the charger, the main charger. So just wait. So you have to use scissor or you have other stuff that can be used to open the charger. It will be better. For me, I don't have any tool that can be opened, so I use scissor. So after you have opened the chargers, you have to look at the place that we can remove the cable. So now this is the cable that I'm going to remove. So I just cut it out because I don't need this cable anymore, and then I will bring the new cable and then replace with the old cable that has been removed. So for this time we have to use the soles, so that means we have to solder it in order to make it strong connection. For me, I soldered it. Okay, after you solder it, we make it back. That means we close back the charger using the glue. So you can use the glue to close the charger back, and then you can see now after done, you can see that I have already replaced it. So as you can see here, I replaced it. So let's test if it's working or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see now the light is coming on, so mean that this is working well. So thank you so much for this video.